Jay Haynes for the Film Sensei YouTube channel. Today's the day that the FXhome website went away. So in this video, I'll break down what you can expect. Before we get started, please do me a favor and hit that like button. And if you haven't already, feel free to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. If you travel to the base FXhome website, you'll be greeted with this opening screen asking you to sign in. If you have an account with FXhome, and I assume you do, otherwise you probably wouldn't be watching this video, you can enter your email address and password to sign in. You may have to accept cookies again. From here, you can download the most recent version of the software you own, which would be HitFilm, Emerge, or both. You can also view the terms of use or go to the Help Center. The Help Center has information regarding the sunsetting of HitFilm, as well as other information that you might find useful. Also, you'll notice that the original takedown message can be seen here as well. Another thing to note, if you were to go to any subfolder of the original FXhome website, for example, the original support page, you'll be redirected to the main Artlist website instead. If you want access to the manuals for either HitFilm or Emerge, you can get those. Both sets of manuals can be found at Manula, and there is even an opportunity to download a PDF version of the manual for your product. I'll leave links in the description. The FXhome YouTube channel remains in existence, so you can still watch the original tutorials and promotions that were presented there. I'll leave a link. Also, don't forget that there's still an active and vibrant HitFilm community on the HitFilm users server on Discord. I will personally continue to be a member of that group, and I'll leave a link in the description if you ever want to hook up with us there. Due to the sunsetting of HitFilm, it's doubtful I'll do any more HitFilm tutorials. However, I never say never. If you need help with anything HitFilm related, you should definitely come to the Discord server. That'll be the last greatest resource for all things HitFilm. As far as my YouTube channel is concerned, I'm not going anywhere. I'll continue making tutorials on both video editing and VFX artistry using other tools that are available out there, so stay tuned. If you have anything to add to this conversation, please leave a comment below. Question for you: what do you want me to make tutorials on? I'd love to hear from you. Like I said before, please do me a favor and like this video, and if you haven't already, feel free to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. It really does help my channel if you do that. Thanks for watching.